After calling off his wedding with Indian cricketer Smriti Mandhana, music composer Palash Muchal has found himself at the center of a major controversy. Palash is facing cheating allegations after being accused of committing a financial fraud worth 40 lakh rupees in Sangli, Maharashtra. A formal complaint has been filed against him, and the case has now caught public attention. Amid the controversy, Palash took to his Instagram story to deny all allegations. Calling the claims false, he wrote, "In light of the allegations made by Sangli-based Vidyan Mane on social media, I wish to state that these claims against me are entirely baseless and factually incorrect." He further claimed that the allegations were made with malicious intent and were aimed at damaging his reputation. Palash also made it clear that he plans to fight the case legally. In his statement, he added, "My lawyer, Shreyansh Mithare, is exploring all legal avenues and this matter will be dealt with strictly through the appropriate legal channels." According to the complaint filed with the Sangli Superintendent of Police, Palash allegedly suggested that Vidyan invest in his upcoming film Nazariya. He reportedly promised that after the film's release on OTT platforms, Vidyan could earn a profit of 12 lakh rupees on an initial investment of 25 lakh rupees. The complaint also stated that Palash offered Vidyan a role in the film. The two reportedly met twice after the initial discussions. By March 2025, Vidyan had allegedly invested a total of 40 lakh rupees in the project. However, the complaint claims that despite waiting for a long time, the film remained incomplete and the money was never returned. When Vidyan asked for his money back, he allegedly received no satisfactory response. The complaint further states that Palash eventually blocked Vidyan's phone number, leaving him with no option but to file an official complaint with the police. With Palash strongly denying the allegations and the complaint now under police review, all eyes are on how this case unfolds in the coming days.